Hey y'all, it's me, Irma from The Rice Life. I'm going to try to do this really quick because the kids are outside with John playing, so I don't have very long to record this. But I'm going to do a boys shared room tour. I think that's what I'm going to call this. So y'all know, if y'all been following us for a while, we've talked about making over the boys' room forever, guys. A lot of this stuff I bought years ago, but so I will try to find the links and or I will try to find something similar. But a lot of this stuff was purchased a while ago, and I've just been kind of collecting and really deciding what I want to do with this space. So yeah, I guess I'm going to go ahead and get started. So this is their room. I'm standing in the doorway, and the theme is adventure, but it's more of like it's not like a baby nursery adventure. It's more of like a big boy adventure. The boys are now 11 and 7. Yes, y'all, the boys are 11 and 7. And so I wanted something that seemed a little more preteenish for Kaine, but that also was, you know, suitable for Kylan too. So I think we accomplished that. So I'm going to step into the room and, well, first and foremost, y'all, the only thing that's missing in here, well, I'll tell you a couple things that are missing, but John redid the floors in luxury vinyl plank. This is what we have throughout the whole house. I will link the ones that we have below. And so he redid the floors, and all that's left to do is the white baseboards, and those are going to be 1x6s. So that's not something that we have to have right now, and especially for me to do the video. So I figured I would go ahead and get it done. But the only thing that's missing, just mind you, that we'll have the thick white baseboards going all the way around the room. The room color is Sherwin Williams Icy Breeze, I think it's called. Icy Breeze by Sherwin Williams. It's kind of picking up a little gray on camera, but it is like a bluish, grayish, whitish. It's almost like, it's a really dusty blue. It's not like a nursery blue or like a Carolina blue or anything. It is, I feel like it's the perfect mixture of white, blue, and gray. So I wanted the room to still be bright and airy feeling, but also cozy. So I figured that was a great option. Their bunk beds are from IKEA. We got those about 4 years ago. Their pillowcases and the inserts are from Amazon. The bedding is from Target. And then I have the pillows that you see in the front are from Hearth and Hand from Target. So that's their bed. Sorry, y'all, just hit the door. And like I said, guys, if you look in the description, most of this stuff will be linked below, the stuff that I can find. This rug is really soft and plush. It is from Amazon. These prints are from Jane.com, a seller from Jane, and I bought them, and I'm pretty sure that they link their websites from Jane.com, so I will see if I can find the artist. But I got this from, I love getting prints from Jane.com, y'all, and I'm sorry I'm out of breath. I was like running around the house, but these are from Jane.com, and I just put them in frames, and so I think it turned out really nice. They're spaced 2 inches apart, and I just think it's really pretty. That's really kind of the color scheme for the room, was like that. You can see that dusty blue. You can see the dusty blue, the gray in the mountains, and then the land has that wheat color. So I really love that, those tones. Let's see, you can really see the color of the walls now. These 2 hooks right here, these heads are from Target. Oh God, y'all, probably a couple years ago. I got them on sale for $1.80, and so I picked up 3 of them, which was crazy because I ended up having 3 boys. So I did not know that we would have 3 boys, but I just got them because they were so cheap. And this is what they're going to hang their book bags on. We have the Big Joe right here. This is like their little reading nook. This is their Big Joe beanbag chair. I will link that below. This door right here, y'all, this is a kid's room. It has been loved on, written on, fingernail polish, you name it. So my friend Tasia gave me the great idea because, you know, I'm going to repaint all the trim white. Y'all, you know that when trim gets really dingy with little kids and all that. So we're going to give all the trim a really good clean and a fresh coat of paint. And she was like, why don't you just do a chalk door right here? That way they can write on the door. So I thought it was perfect because this room did have a chalk wall. And so, of course, I had a chalk wall and they ended up writing all over the door. But we will make this door, probably this week, we'll paint it with the chalk paint, and then we're going to refresh all the white trim, and that'll just be something really nice and fresh. But of course, that's not done right now. That wasn't something that I had to have done to this video. Right here, we have these acrylic bookshelves from Amazon, and it just holds all their books. I will have those linked below. This is just what we have for their stuffed animals. I got this from Target years ago, I think. This sign, this adventure sign, I got from Hobby Lobby years ago. Like I said, y'all, all this stuff I just collected, and I was like, they're gonna have an adventure room, and it just took me forever to do it. So That's pretty much the whole corner, guys. They have like a little reading nook with the Big Joe chair, the hooks for their book bag, their acrylic bookshelves, and that's pretty much it. So then when you turn this way, I'm kind of in the doorway again, you will see this pendant light I got from IKEA. I will have that link below. We got that sometime last year. These shelves right here, we got them from Amazon. This little sign is from Hobby Lobby, and the globe is from Hobby Lobby. That's Kaine's. Kaine's on the top bunk. Kylan's down here. And this Good Vibes sign I got from Hobby Lobby too. I just thought it would be something, you know, for them to put knickknacks on. So that's what that's for. And this curtain, well, these curtains are from IKEA. They're like a dusty gray color. Like they seem black, but it's like a grayish, I don't know, it's really pretty. And it ties in with the mountains in the picture. And up here, y'all, I'm at a weird angle, but up here, I bought some leather and I cut the leather down and just made like a little curtain hook. So to tie in with the color of the grass in the picture. And I just thought that was really pretty and unique. So this is their little desk area. The desk I got from Amazon. This little Be Strong and Courageous sign. Be Strong and Courageous Joshua 1:9 is from Amazon. This I got from Dollar General for like 12 bucks last year. This is their, what is it? I always call it their Hey Google, but y'all know what it's called. I'm going to leave that link below. I always call it their Hey Google. I have a picture frame right here from Target that I'm going to put a picture of them in. We're about to take spring portraits, and so I'll update that. This See the World globe is from Hobby Lobby. I got this from IKEA, Target, I think. This is one of the shelves right here. I just turned it upside down. And y'all, I'm sorry, the lighting's kind of weird. This is a coaster, a little rattan coaster. I got a lot of those, so I figured they could use that on the desk. This chair I got from Amazon last year sometime. It was in Eian's nursery nook, but I thought it looked better in here. So that's that. This corner right here, because the room is shaped kind of weird, y'all, and they've got big furniture. So this right here is kind of just empty. So I'm thinking about putting a plant there. I don't know. But I also don't want to take up every inch of space in the bedroom. So we shall see. And let me close this door so that y'all can get a good idea of this wall. We did, and y'all can see where we got to paint over all the doors. Y'all, the kids are crazy, but let me step over here. This is the board and batten wall that John and I did. And the decals. I'm not sure if I love the decals, guys. I might end up taking them off. Let me know. Well, I'm sure we don't have comments still, but you can go over to the Rice Homestead is our new Instagram for our home account. So go over to the Rice Homestead and let me know if you think we should keep the decals. I kind of feel like we shouldn't. I don't know. I feel like it kind of cheapens the room, and that's not what I'm going for. John says he thinks that maybe if we turn them all the same direction, then it won't look as bad, but I'm just not feeling them. I don't know. It kind of looks Halloweenish to me. But anyway, guys, those are the decals from Amazon. I saw them in like playrooms and stuff, and I thought it'd be really cute, but I'm not sure if I love it up here. But we've got decals. We've got board and batten, and this is in, the color of this is Farrow and Ball's Pigeon. So that is the color of that. We also have that in our kitchen. I think it's really pretty. I just heard a kid come in, y'all, so somebody might burst in any second. But we did the board and batten, and then we added the little trim piece down there. I just really think it finishes the look. And then their dresser is the Hemness dresser from IKEA, and they no longer make this color. They have 4 other stain options. Well, they have 1 stain and like 3 painted options. The girls have the white paint, and the boys had the orange stain, but like I said, they're out of the orange. Or not even out of it, they discontinued the orange. So that sucks. I'm really glad we got it last year, because I would be really upset if I'd waited and then they didn't have it, because I've always been in love with the color of this dresser. And so we've got the Hemness dresser, the knobs we got from Amazon. We changed those out sometime last year, so I'll have those linked below. This is their night light. Let me see if it'll turn on. Of course, the one time, oh, I forgot it. Oh, there it is. That's their night light, and you can actually like dim it and brighten it by just pressing it, which I think is really cool. And it's got all kinds of different little like color settings, and this is like the this is the warm white. That was bright white earlier. And then it's got like a color option, and it just cycles through. It said 256 colors. So yeah, and then you just tap it to turn it off. I love this thing. The boys and the girls have one. So that's their night light. A little lamp that I got from Target. A dry erase board. I have this Explore sign that I got from, I say it's an Instagram place, but they have a website, so I'll have them linked below. This Explore sign I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just painted it the same color as this because I thought that I would hang it up on the wall somewhere for some contrast, but for right now it's just going to stay right here. I don't really mind. This is an amber glass jar for their piggy bank, and I kind of feel like I'm missing something, but I guess that's it, guys. It's a really minimal room. I'm going to do a once over one more time for you. Also, that's it. I feel like we did a great job of keeping it very minimal. Mind you, like I said, this is going to be a chalk wall, baseboards, the trim is going to be painted, blah, blah, blah. But for the most part, y'all, this is like 97% finished, and we're so excited. I can do the girls' room tour if y'all want. I know a lot of people asked about that since last year, so I will get the girls to straighten up their room, and then that might be a video coming soon. But like I said, guys, I love it. I just love the tones. I think I got the clock. I don't think I talked about the clock. I got the clock from Target last year. And like I said, guys, it's not really hard to find a lot of these things. It's more of just, well, it'll be hard to find the exact thing, but y'all, Target and Walmart, they always have the same things like over and over. There may be variations, but for the most part, if you go into Walmart or Target right now, you can find a clock very similar to this. But yeah, so, all right, guys, that's the whole room. I absolutely love it, and the boys love it. And y'all can really see the floors close up. I think the floors are really pretty. John did a really great job with all the flooring in the house, but I love I don't know, he gets better and better every time he does it. So I just think it's really pretty. And the room is coming off like super small, but it feels massive in here. Just because everything's spaced out, it's not so cluttered. We did a lot of decluttering and just making sure that the boys had a lot of functionality in the room, but also kept it, you know, I feel like it's functional, minimal, but they still got their little trinkets and things that they like. In their closet, they still got toys and all that in there. I'm not even opening that up, but but for what you can see, you know, still their room, but it's just nice and clean. So, all right, guys, this is Emma from The Ice Life, and I will see you all in our next video. And if you have any questions, honestly, just either go to my Emmy Rice Instagram or go over to the Rice Homestead because we don't have comments. So just go there and ask me any questions if I did not leave a link to something that you were looking for. All right, bye, y'all.